High Court has dismissed widespread reports suggesting that a young man, Olowo Okere Segun, was sentenced to death for stealing a fowl, describing the claims as false and maliciously distorted. This comes as the state governor, Ademola Adeleke, announced on Thursday that Olowo Okere and his co-convict, Sunday Morakinyo, has been granted a pardon by the state government. A statement titled, "Setting the Record Straight," issued by the Registrar of the State High Court, Omishade F.I., on December 20, 2024, dismissed claims that he had sentenced the duo for stealing a fowl, although the trial, which spanned from February 11, 2013 to December 17, 2014, found the duo guilty of multiple armed robberies, including an armed robbery at a poultry. The judgment sparked controversy a decade later, with many Nigerians expressing outrage, following pleas from the convict parents, Folashade and Olariwaju, who maintained their son's innocence and appealed to Governor Adeleke for leniency on the Talk to Be podcast by actress Biola Adebayo. The governor had assured them that he would consider the possibility of granting a pardon, fulfilling his promise. Adeleke, through a statement released on Thursday by his spokesperson, Olawale Rasheed, announced the pardon of Olowo Okere, Morakinyo, and 51 other inmates. The statement partly read, "In line with the recommendations of the State Advisory Council on the Prerogative of Mercy, Governor Adeleke has exercised the prerogative of mercy towards 53 convicts serving various convictions within the Nigerian Correctional Service. Convicts recommended for outright pardon for good conduct, capital offences, are Sunday Morakinyo, Segun Olowo Okere, Tunde Olopade, and Demola Odeyemi. Responding to public outrage, the court clarified that Olowo Okere and his accomplice, Morakinyo, were convicted and sentenced to death by hanging for armed robbery by the High Court of Justice, Ikirun Judicial Division, presided over by Honorable Justice S.O. Falola, contrary to the widespread reports claiming that they were convicted for stealing a fowl. The statement read, "The succinct fact of this case was that the boy, Olowo Okere, and one other person, Morakinyo Sunday, were going about in Oyo town and its neighborhood robbing innocent and unsuspecting people at gunpoint. The facts of the case have been distorted and maliciously misrepresented to the generality of the people. What has been laid before the public domain is that the boy was convicted and sentenced to death for stealing one fowl. An educated person does not need to be a lawyer before being well informed to know that as a fact that the person cannot be sentenced to death for stealing a fowl, not even 1 billion, without being armed at the time of committing the crime." The court explained that the armed robbery crime attracts a mandatory death sentence if the accused is armed, leaving the judge no discretion after conviction. The court further urged the public to verify facts before drawing conclusions and cautioned against spreading misinformation aimed at undermining the judicial integrity. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.